Okay, guys. I'm opening. I already opened it, so it ain't like come open it, but like, yeah. I'm about to try. I never wore a wig or a wig or a weave. Never, neither. I'm a braider. I mean, I like braids. No, braids, whatever. See what's giving what I'm giving. See what's giving what I'm giving. Okay. Let me switch right here. Which I didn't have to, but whatever. Take your time to show me your find it. Take my time to find it. Alright. Let's put this back where I'm holding. Alright. And this is supposed to be blue. I don't know if I'm still supposed to like cut it or whatever. Y'all gotta tell me. I got until December 10th to wear this. So please, somebody out there. This is me asking for your help. If y'all don't fuck with me no other time, please fuck with me today. This is... Alright, so this is how I look on the inside. Please don't mind me like this after. But yeah. So, I don't know if these straps supposed to like, am I supposed to tighten it? So I feel like this is where I got a little ass head. Alright. So am I supposed to cut this or tuck it? Tell me. Now I know I gotta put my hair in braids. That I know. And then put the tucker combs. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Alright, let's start over. I don't know what happened, y'all, but we're gonna start over. Hey, y'all see why I need y'all help. For real. I started off fucking up. Alright. We're just gonna get it on, and then I guess we're not gonna worry about not finding the front. I guess this is the front. I guess this is the front. I'm just going to focus like that. I'll do that like that. Right? What the fuck? I guess I'm supposed to like, we'll go down like right there. So is that like how it go? So is that how it go, y'all? I'm looking in the damn mirror talking to y'all. I don't know. So I almost figured something out. I'm almost positive I'm supposed to like cut this, I guess, or whatever. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm supposed to cut this, tuck this under. Got a lot of tucker combs, and then I'm supposed to do the drawstring, make it tight, but y'all, what the fuck is this? Why is this so, y'all, why is that shirt like that, y'all? Like, y'all see that? Did I get played? Like, y'all. And this was $50. Like, I'm confused. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? So once I curl it, or something, or whatever, y'all. I don't know. But, and one thing's for sure, two things for certain. Is, first of all, is this in the middle? Because maybe it's not in the middle. How do you know if it's in the middle? So y'all, I think this is the middle, but y'all, I don't know if I'm supposed to, because this right here is giving like shirt pixie, y'all, and so y'all, I don't know. And then am I supposed to like, so it's like something, one of these baby hairs or something, or am I supposed to like make my own baby hair? Y'all know what I mean? Like, y'all, I feel like I can make this real, I feel like I can make this do what it do, y'all, but I'm gonna have to make all different hairs or something, y'all. I think, sure that. But, I mean, not really. Because it's not shedding bad. And I feel like, y'all, once I curl it, so if I give me some, like, curls, you know what I'm talking about, y'all? Like, I feel like once I do that, and I'm so still confused with the shirt part. So, please, if y'all don't fuck with me no other fucking time, please. I don't even care. At this point, you ain't even gotta subscribe. I really don't care. I'm just calling out to my sisters. Help a sister out, like from one sister to another. I get braids, so this hair is always in braids. Always. Like, bro. And I was like, I want to do something different. But y'all, I'm so confused with this part because I don't know if it's like it's supposed to be a style, and the hair, like I said, came with sheen, so it didn't even come with like, you know what I'm saying, like. So I might have to go back on to see how she did it, like on Shein, see how she styled it or whatever. But y'all, I could have sworn it was like a middle part somewhere in here, y'all, on things. So I don't know if I'm supposed to do that myself. Listen, I am 50 years old. I don't know why I waited until now to do this. And I wanted to do something different for my husband's birthday. And I got into December 10th. So, yeah. I don't even know. It's really not giving what I wanted to give. But, I feel like y'all, I feel like if I fix it, this is... Alright, so I know, maybe I get some deep curls like right here and then like right here. But y'all, somebody gotta tell me, first of all, how to cut this precision lines. Okay? How to cut that, y'all. And I don't have no daughters. I got 2 sons, so this is why I'm reaching out to y'all. I want y'all to be my family, my sisters, my whoever, y'all know what I'm saying? Like, tell me how to do it. Like I said, y'all don't fuck with me no other time. Please fuck with me now, because I am calling out. I'm calling out to my sisters. Help a sister out. Help a sister out. Help me out. Now I'm just playing. But nah, for real. Help me out. Because I like the color. And I know the color is popping on my face because I you know what I'm saying? I didn't have this color in like berets. But, and then I know I can tighten it, y'all, so I don't know, like, so when I'm gonna braid my hair up, give me some nice cornrows, you know what I'm talking about, and then, yeah, we're gonna take it from there, we're gonna see what we're gonna do, but we're gonna fix it, I'm gonna make it work. I like that. Oh, am I supposed to add makeup? Because I be seeing people do that, so, I don't know, am I supposed to wear... I don't know if I'm... But I like it, though, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, look, it's like... It's not... I'm going to show you on my brush how it's really don't shed. And that's that part, because I ain't got time for that. Because the bitch will forget that I had this hair in my head and come home and see this color on my floor. I'm like, what the fuck? With bitch with blonde hair in my shit? Because I have really bad with, like, I don't know, some type of mental issue. You know, bitch will be forgetting shit. But, y'all... For real, on some real love, I'm gonna need y'all to just like help me out. And I already know how to braid my hair for it. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna do the upside down, what's the names, and I'm gonna do it all the back or whatever type shit. But yeah, I normally have this crap It's literally braided. So this is why I need y'all help. Help my sister out. Help me out. Help me help you. I don't know how to help you though, but just help me. You know what I'm saying? And then it's like, once I learn, then yeah. But I just picked up a piece of hair, but that was nothing. And most of this shit is not on damn hair. But y'all, yeah, that was completely nothing. You know what I'm saying? But like a couple of strings that had came out. Yeah. So y'all, I'm gonna need y'all to tune in, help a sister out. Yeah, that part. Like, help me out. Help me out. And don't talk about my own church, because I was out gardening and shit like that. And where I live at, you gotta be bright, because the motherfucker like didn't know the bitch was in the yard, thought she was a deer. So yeah, don't mind the bright orange. If you a hunter, then you know. No, I'm just playing. But anyway, yeah, y'all, please help me out. It's not my fault I waited until I turned 50 to want to put a wig on my head. And I don't want to ask my family because I want to surprise them. You know what I'm saying? I want to be like, when they see me, I want to pop out, right, bitch? But I did that with the help of y'all. You know what I'm saying? And if I have to call my little nieces and them, I will. But I'm dependent on y'all. And today is, what's today? That's what the... Today, November 7th, 2025. And I'm dropping this November 7th, 2025. Okay? See you soon. Love you. And don't, if you want to, only if you want to, only if you want to, only if you truly, truly, truly want to, because this is why I don't push it out, because nobody fucks with me. So I feel like it's a waste of time, you know, sitting here recording my grandson or recording me, because ain't nobody gonna look at it. So I feel like it's just a pure waste of fucking time. But yeah, a bitch be fun as fuck as hell. But yeah, only if you want to like, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? But if you don't want to, you don't have to. Like I said, it's fine. I just simply need help with that wig. Show me how to do it, because I don't want to believe I got. Because it was supposed to be a sale. It was supposed to have been on sale, like $100 wig on Shein for $46 or whatever. Yeah. So I felt like when I put that on, it should have been already like, oh yeah, hell yeah, bitch, this is how you know what I'm saying? But I didn't get that when I put that on. I didn't get that vibe at all. So yeah, let me know what you think. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, only if you want to. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, please help, because I want to look cute for my husband's 51st birthday. And I like, if I get braids, and the thing is, I braid my own hair, and I know the braiding style that I want, and this is why I bought the wig, because I was like, dang. So what I want to do to my hair, if I braid it, if the wig don't work right, is I want to do some micros, but I want to do like ass length micros, you know what I'm saying? And I'm debating between either doing it myself or just going like to New York and then letting them do it, because I'd rather Jamaicans do my braids than, I know, you know, I ain't got no whatever, but Jamaicans, they tend to braid way faster, believe it or not, than Africans, and I know that for actual fact. Africans can braid fast, but they braid extra tight. Jamaicans braid your hair the way it should, not extra tight and fast. I had my shit done in like 4 hours one time. But yeah, not to just go off the page or whatever, but yeah, that's how I'm gonna braid my hair. That same color though, literally that same color. But yeah, if the braids don't work, that part. All right, y'all. So thank you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe, only if you want to. Love, peace, and happiness, my sisters and brothers.